Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a custom built steering wheel. This would fit sort of any Rolls Royce from about 1938 or Bentley through to the early 1960s, including S1s, Mark 6s, Wraiths, etc. And you can see it's got the deep splined hole in the back there that accommodates those early columns. This is 16 inches in diameter and it has a degree of offset, so the rim is offset from the boss, meaning it's slightly further towards the driver and away from his knees and his tummy. But that's a Mark 6 custom built 16 inch wheel, you can see with the leaf spokes, etc. And this will fit any Mark 6 Bentley Rolls Royce of the 30s, 40s or 50s and the early 60s.